Welcome to Unveiling the Ancient World, where we embark on a journey through time to uncover the rich tapestry of history woven in the pages of Scripture. I'm thrilled to guide you through a 6-week exploration of historical insights, where we'll delve into the cultural, social, and political landscape of the ancient world. By peering through the lens of history, we aim to illuminate the stories, customs, and contexts that shape our understanding of Scripture. Throughout this series, we'll unravel the mysteries of ancient civilizations, from the bustling streets of Mesopotamia to the majestic courts of Egypt, and from the rugged landscapes of Canaan to the vibrant cities of ancient Israel. By examining the lives of biblical figures against the backdrop of their times, we'll gain fresh perspectives on their triumphs, struggles, and faith journeys. Join us as we uncover the layers of history buried beneath the surface of Scripture, revealing timeless truths that resonate across the ages. Together, let's embark on a journey of discovery as we deepen our understanding of Scripture through the lens of historical insights. Welcome to Unveiling the Ancient World, where the past comes alive to illuminate the present.